Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a quick video. I'm working on the 06 Commander and ended up with a grinding sound coming from our front left wheel, and couldn't get into it to see what I was with the tire on to see what was going on. So I got the tire off and I already found the problem, but I'll show you. In between, I was on the bottom, but if you can see in between this metal guard right here and the rotor, in here on the bottom there was a tiny stone. There you go, tiny stone. Let's see how it's been polished by the brake rotor. Yeah, you got to get these things before they start grinding into your brake rotor. I noticed it 2 days ago and then told my wife to be aware of it. But anyway, there you go. That little tiny stone was the culprit. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate the tires while this is off. But just thought I'd let you know. It's not always a major deal, but you do have to get it before it really causes damage. As you can see, this is a Pennsylvania 06 brake parts, all rusty and corroded, and I should probably do some stuff about that, but for now I fixed the problem. So as I said, I'm going to go ahead and rotate these parts. This was just inspected by the Pennsylvania State, and we have good brakes on there, and yeah, it's good just to check on things while you're in here. This needs a good wash and clean up. It's always running on stone driveways and stuff. So anyway, this is what we got. Hopefully I fixed the problem. Won't have a grinding sound anymore. This won't fix your problem all the time. You definitely could have other issues, but anyway, that is where we're at. Have a great one. Catch you later.